Right, this is a rocket I built using the interior of a pencil, a mechanical pencil, the screw top of a bicycle tire, aluminum tape for the fins, and then the launching mechanism is a piece of wire which I've coiled into a stand and added a sharp tip to. The idea is that you heat the tip of this up very hot, and you put the rocket on, and it'll drop down to that point right there marked in white, and provided it doesn't fall over, the red hot tip will ignite 40 matches that I have in there, match heads that have ground down into like a two-stage kind of charge. The first one should hopefully igniting the much larger second one, and then this thing will launch off the stick and through the air. I'm going to make another video of it doing that, hopefully. I used 10 match heads before, or 20 before actually, and it didn't do anything, so it might still not do anything, but I'm going to make that video when I get more audience.
I look at that person and I said, you know what? It's one thing to lose your money. It's another thing to lose your life. If I'm good enough to get you out of your money, I'm good enough to kill you. And it never happened. It never happened.
Oh my God!